supposed to do. Because God's going to look at you. Even if the devil using a sinner, you can't fall into that trap because, listen, the enemy always working too. And if you fall in there, then where's the greatest he in us? Well, Pastor, how did you get on that stuff because the Lord led me there? You still got to do it if you want to pray for the mom. That seems to get in your way. Your attitude, your temper, your integrity. You got to have all of that. I don't care what it's going to do. If that's just like somebody come to my house, start talking to them, I'm going to say, all right, God bless you, man. I'm going to go ahead and go home. I ain't go home. That's right. But I'm not going to say, I don't care. I don't care. So the first thing they're going to say is, no. First thing they want to do is say, I knew she was. I'll wait for it to come out. They'll push you to that limit. As soon as you say something you ain't supposed to say, they'll say, I know it. I knew it was enough. I knew you weren't what you said you was all along. I knew it. I knew it was just a matter of time you were going to start back cussing. I knew it was just a matter of time you were going to start back taking me saying all that old crazy stuff. I knew it was just a matter of time and you swear you say. And that's what they'll say. And you'll sit there and say, I don't care. You should care because you representing Jesus. How you going to press toward the mark when you ain't even got the mark that to press toward? How you going to? And Paul said, follow me, he told him. Follow me as I follow Christ. Yeah. Well, guess what? If you ain't following me as I follow Christ, I see why, because you ain't even following Christ with me. Just follow the God that's in me. You got to put aside anything that needs to feature your attitude, the way you think about things. You're envious. Some of you got envious in your heart, and you know you do, and I can call you right now. You got to get that mess out your heart. Stuff you hold against people because you cannot press. You can't press. You pressing and the devil pushing you back. You don't got that stuff in your heart. You don't love like you should love. You trying to press, the devil pushing you back. You still got that temper. You can't go there any kind of way. That's right, Pastor. How you going to, whatever done here on earth is already done in heaven. How you going to go there and you don't even love everybody like you should? Some of us will love a lie, but we love the truth. Now how can you do that? One thing about me, I'm Sharika, one thing about me, and I mean, I don't work from the truth. I like real people. I do. When you truthful, I love it. But when you phony, I don't like, it ain't that I don't like you, I just don't like who you are. Amen. I don't like spirits. And I don't have to deal with you. I'm not going to deal with you. We got to quit lying so much. Be real. One thing I like about the TRS